So I know the feeling, the silence is deafening, but in your pain lies a blessing, a sweeter sound of victory. So keep walking and walking and walking, though it seems so far. No matter who you are, see there's one thing that I know. Life it can leave you so bitter, 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 but you must believe that it gets better, 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 better. It's a wide eyes and the way to the sky. I know it's hard to find, but you must believe that it gets better. Listen to me. I know you're scared, your heart's bleeding, but what are you gonna do now? I think it's time to break free and keep walking and walking and walking, though it seems so far. No, it doesn't really matter who you are. See, there's one thing that I know. Oh, life it can leave you so bitter, 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 but you must believe that it gets better, 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 better. It's a wide eyes, send the prayer to the sky. I know it's hard to find, but you must believe that it gets better, better. Oh yeah, almost out of here. See, I was almost took. I wanted to die from what I was doing wrong. I cried out every night, looking for a helping hand. That's when it happened. Jesus took me and he held me close. He gave me love, we fill my heart, help me grow better because his love, it made me whole. It's available anytime. Try him out, he'll change your life. See, cause I know, yeah, life it can leave you so bitter, 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 but you must believe that it gets better, better, better. Life it can leave you so bitter, 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 but you must believe that it gets better, better. Oh, it gets better, better, so much better. Oh, it gets better, but if you only believe, so much better. With Jesus better, life can be better.
Thank you for watching this video. We know that by you being here, it's a blessing for us. And we pray that we are a blessing to you. We look forward to connect with you in person. Thank you.